haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Kizer limited edition Halloween knives. I got these about a month ago. These are pretty cool. Even though I'm not a Halloween guy, I definitely get a kick out of these special editions. Let's check them out. First one up is the mini Sheepdog. I think out of all of these right now, initially, this is my favorite one because I really dig the look of the brown burlap micarta on here. It kind of reminds me of the Scarecrow from The Wizard of Oz or something to that effect. I really like that this is the flipperless version of the mini Sheepdog. And I also really like the stitches, or whatever this is right here, the supposed stitches. I just think it looks really cool. On this side, it has a bat and a jack-o'-lantern pocket clip. Of course, on the blade here too, you got a little jack-o'-lantern face, and then, here we go, number 157 of 200. Out of all these, I really dig this little one, just the overall initial look. This one is awesome, and the grip is really great. I had never had a mini Sheepdog before, so this is my first, and I'm honestly kind of impressed by it. It is a liner lock, and being that there's no flipper tab on this deleted version, it is flick only, and it flicks very well. Very cool. Next up is the Ultim Drop Bear version. Now this did come in two different flavors. It was this Ultim with the jack-o'-lantern, or it was a clear Lexan with the haunted house. At the time of purchase, when I purchased this, it was within the first 2 minutes of drop. The clear Lexan was not available and wasn't dropped for about 10 minutes, so I would have bought both, but I wasn't going to make two purchases. Anyways, the Ultim version is very cool, and this is the first drop bear I've purchased as well. And if you follow this channel, you understand why I'm not a huge fan of the drop bear. It's not because of the knife itself. It's actually a phenomenal knife, and the action is killer on it. I just don't like the way the tip of the blade comes down right here. So, other than that, a lot of people dig that design, you know, to each their own. But this is a very cool looking design. I do like that it also is a very, very smooth action on that crossbar lock. The limited edition number of this one is 171 out of 350. Yep, very good color combo on it. And then last but not least, we have the Militaw. And as you can see, it has orange G10 and black shredded carbon fiber insert. I really like that it has, I like the bats on this blade for some reason more than the other ones. This one just is visually more appealing to me, on the blade anyways, in person. Oh, the bat's upside down here. It'd be like this. And then like this for the trick or treat. And this one is number 48 of 100. Yeah, this Halloween special edition definitely pops. The colors are very cool. And I will say that if you purchased one of these and you plan on swapping these scales with one of the other budget versions, you can, but the budget versions underneath these replaceable scales have 3 speed holes drilled in each one, which is kind of a bummer. I don't know why you would drill speed holes in G10. It literally serves no purpose. All of you out there that enjoy Halloween, these are really cool special editions from Kizer, and I think it's pretty neat that they do limited releases like that. Thank you for checking out the Halloween knives with me, and I hope you have a wonderful and safe Halloween. Take care.